Men who frequently use pornography may experience lower sexual satisfaction, both personally and in their relationships. Is this because of porn's underlying effect on expectations and sex? Maybe. Or is it more because of two complementary variables? First, if the sex you're getting sucks already, you might use porn to supplement it. If someone's not having a great sexual experience with a long-term partner, which is the part there that says experience lower sexual satisfaction, they might use porn to compensate. And then it looks like porn is causing it, but the arrow of causation is actually directly reversed. On the other side, part 2 here is if you nut like 2 times a week with real sex, but without porn, each time is pretty zany, you got a whole lot of it saved up there and it feels really interesting. But if you add in 4 times a week jerking on top of that to porn, it's simply just physiology, it's simple physiology, that the sexual satisfaction of those 2 times you're getting it with a real person are going to decline. There's only so much you can squeeze out of there. You guys know what I'm talking about. At least consider the idea that it's not just porn causing these bad things, and that the story for the bad things causing an increase in porn use is at least as convincing, in my opinion. And truthfully, in my opinion, considerably more convincing. Because people talk about like, oh, porn like changes people's expectations with sex. Does it? I don't know. So my advice on this, if you're having a problem with it, is if you're gearing up to have some real sex pretty soon, stop jerking off for a few days before. That will make the sex go much better. If you have regular sex with a partner, make sure they're satisfied. And if you want that sex to feel better, jerk off less, especially the day before or 2 days before. So if you really like to have fun weekends with your girlfriend, just stop jerking off Wednesday or Thursday. For the love of God, a lot of this is not that complicated.